Okay, so just a quick video on how to get rid of this embossed horrible wallpaper which is all over our ceilings. It's also the same process for getting rid of wood chip as well, another horrible paper. I think this was put all over our ceilings to cover up the bad plasterwork. As you can see, it falls off in places. That's why I don't really want to use a steamer, because it'll make more of the plaster fall off. That's not what I want. This is the tool I'm going to be using. It's called a wallpaper scorer. It's available from Screwfix for about 15 quid. It's got these 6 sharp wheels on it with serrated blades that cut into the wallpaper to allow the moisture to get to the backing paper. They cut through the paint and the top surface of the paper. Run the tool across the paper in every direction. Press them quite firmly so you score through all the layers of paint and through the top layer of paper. But try and be careful not to scratch through to the plaster. You just want to cut through the paper. You just go in every single direction, doing as much as you can. As you can see, the paper's tearing off a little bit. This will allow moisture to soak in the next stage. The paper's nicely roughed up now, showing some of the backing paper. All I've got here is a squirty bottle with a solution of water and washing up liquid. You want to cover the whole surface of the paper. Now rub the solution well into the paper. It'd probably be better to use a sponge here, but I didn't have one, so I just used my hand. Now give the paper another spray and give it a good soaking. I recommend getting one of these heavy duty scrapers. It'll make life a lot easier getting the wallpaper off, and you can change the blades so you don't have to worry about sharpening them. I let the solution soak in for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's coming off fairly easily. Some bits are still a bit difficult to get off. If this is the case, just score them again with the tool, give them another soaking, leave them for a bit, and they should be easy to come off then. You're still going to need to use a bit of elbow grease, but this is the easiest way I've found to get rid of embossed paper and wood chip wallpaper. Thanks for watching. See you next time.